So hey Jolly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I've got some goodies that were sent a long time ago from VS Nail Art Supplies. I am so sorry it's taken me this long to get round to it, but basically I'm just going to be showing you some of the products that they've got available on their store, which you may not be aware of. So they do have stamping plates, not loads, but they do have some, and they have a gorgeous selection of like nail decorations and glitters. So that's what I'm going to kind of be demonstrating today. So these are like gummy things which I've never used, and these are like metal slices. I don't know if I'm going to use everything today, but I'm just showing you what they do have on offer in their store. So this is their stamping plate. So I'm going to just remove this blue protective film. So it kind of has a mixture of like characters on this plate, as you can see. So you've kind of got like Despicable Me, some Garfield, sort of Winnie the Pooh, Disney characters. You've got Lion King references there. I know they've got another plate and I think it has more characters to do with this theme. So it does come with a plastic backing, although it's not branded, or it doesn't look branded anyway. So these are some fabulous glitters. This one is called Slush, and I'm going to be using this Your Sugar extension gel to apply these, and I'm going to kind of do the underneath method, which is basically you can do the same thing but encapsulating it, but for easiness sake for me, so I don't have to do lots of filing down afterwards, I'm doing the underneath method just to show you what these glitters would look like. You can actually do this, do you know, if you use those Après nail extensions where you put it on with glue. I think I watched a tutorial recently on Sarah R and she did it with glitters. You could do that with these if you've got that kind of system. So you do what I'm doing now. So you'd apply the, well, I'm obviously using a builder gel, and I'm kind of just tapping the glitter in through a clear base. And then I'm going to get like a dotting tool, and basically I'm just going to move it all around, making sure it's not sticking out on the edges, and then just add a few more stars before I go ahead and cure that in my lamp. But that's how it'd look underneath, and these are really super sparkly. It's quite difficult trying to show you on camera. And then you want to just encapsulate that in with another layer of builder gel. Obviously, if you did this on your own nails, you know, if the stars were sticking out, you know, you just buff it and file it down. It's very easy to do. So there you go. That's what it's going to look like the other side. And again, just adding a few more bits. But I do like these glitters. I do like the different shapes in them, the stars and the different colours. You kind of have like cool, unique, funky, like custom glitter mixes. So this is just like a normal, you know, fine glitter, and it's iridescent as well. So I'm applying this normally. So I'm just using, it's actually a She Modern product where you can do, you know, apply the glitter that way. But I mean, you can just put it on top of a gel polish. But because I'm kind of keeping all these on their clear pop sticks, I'm doing it this way. So obviously what's gorgeous about this is, you know, it's that gorgeous light blue colour. It will bring out different colours dependent on the base. I think you could kind of have a unicorny look over a white. It'd probably be more greeny if you put it over black, and obviously it'd probably be more true reflection of the colour if you put it over like a light blue. So this is another sort of chunky glitter. This is called Enticed, and it's kind of got a mixture of glitter shapes really. You've kind of got like big hexagons, you've got like glitter shards, like a confetti, and there is actually some hearts in it as well. So again, I'm doing the underneath method, and I'm just tapping the glitter on. Obviously you can build this up as much as you want. I'm just trying to get a big gulp of it off. Just bear with me, and you know, just again moving it around before I cure it in the lamp. So I do quite like these different sort of glitter shapes and size glitter mixes. can see there. And obviously these can go over a, you know, a solid base colour as well. So they've got a range of holographic glitters, and this is they must have known purple was my favourite colour, and even over clear it looks absolutely stunning. Bearing in mind that's just one coat. I mean, I would put it over a purple. And these are like holographic swirls, which again I did the underneath method, which would probably be better with products like this because they can be a bit big and bulky, but ultimately you can just place it on and have it as a bit of a 3D nail decoration as well. And then these are super gorgeous. They're like iridescent swans. So you would definitely have to do some sort of encapsulating, maybe in a dual form if you did these with like a clear poly gel, because they are a bit thicker, and because of the shape it's going to be a bit more awkward trying to get it to lie flat on your nail. So that's them all together. So you can definitely have fun with these different shapes and glitter mixes. So I hope you liked how I kind of showcased them. So moving on now to the stamping plate, I'm actually going to show you like a couple of designs that you could do just with a couple of characters. You're probably going to guess already from the colour choices which ones I'm going to be doing first. And these colours are from Kiki London's new Neon Vibes gel polish collection. I have done a design with these already, so if you've not seen it I can leave a link to that. So I'm just picking up, and actually I was really impressed because obviously it's not particularly a brand that I've used before, but you know, I had no issue with pickup. It's transferred absolutely fine. So I'm really pleased with that. And you know, maybe you saw these, wanted to get it, but thinking, oh, is it just going to be cheap quality or is it not going to stamp very well? Well, hopefully this will put your mind at ease and you can see that it is stamped absolutely fine. So this is just basic stamping. You just put it on and, you know, I've just added some polka dots, and that's a kind of look that you could go for. And then I'm going to do another look, but I'm going to do like advanced stamping and like dry stamping. So I'm going to be taking some of the Winnie the Pooh images, and I don't actually think I've done a Winnie the Pooh nail design before, so it's kind of nice doing that as well. So I'm just getting the images that I'm going to use. So there's actually 3 characters on here. So that's actually Winnie the Pooh. And this is what you do for advanced stamping. You get normal polish or stamping polish. And with an image like this, you can fill in the colour, which is a great way to kind of like custom your nail art to the colours that you want to use. I'm just keeping to the original Winnie the Pooh colours. So you obviously want to try and keep it in the lines as much as possible. And this is something that, you know, you might get more used to as you're getting more used to getting into nail art if you're a total beginner to this. But you just need like a nice good quality like striper brush or detailer brush to fill in. And I've still messed up. It's going to happen, but you know, it's part and parcel of learning. And then basically you would leave that to dry. I kind of leave it you know, a good 20 minutes, don't bother messing with it. So I've gone ahead and done Piglet off camera and also Tigger off camera as well. So this is what I'm going to use for the dry stamping. So it's Sheen Modern, and although I use this to add the glitters, you can use this for dry stamping as well. If you don't use gel products, you can use like a transfer foil glue, apply that to your nail, wait until it's completely dry, and stamp on it as I'm going to show you in a moment. So this is a gel polish, so you will need to cure it in your lamp for 30 seconds. And basically it just provides like a bit of a tacky layer that's strong enough to just stamp this directly onto the nail, even though the stamping polish had completely dried. It is a fantastic method to transfer these stamping images onto your nail hassle-free. It is the only way that I do advanced stamping transfer now. You can see it just transfers perfectly each and every time. Okay, and that's how it looks together, so that's super cute. And again, I just used the colours that I used for the other nails and did like a little bit of a polka dot design as well. So I will show you some of the images that I've just swatched straight onto the mat, as you can see here. So all of the images, to be fair, have picked up and transferred really nicely. So I've been really impressed with that. Absolutely love the glitter mixes. So thank you so much for sending me out these products. The details on where you can find them will be in the description box below. So make sure you head there. And thank you so much for watching, Jelly Babes. Please press that free subscribe button and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.